our job in Clarendon. This is day one. We want to kind of give people an idea what is involved with the job of turf. Right here, we have a delivery truck that's got the turf on it. It's got the rock on it. We go to the back, we'll see all the rock. Follow me up here. One thing people don't realize is the amount of machinery involved. Right here, you've got a dump trailer truck. That's how we get rid of all the debris and take it to the dump. Usually dump fees usually range from $300 to $500. That truck is a $75,000 truck, and that needs to be sized correctly to get guys to the job site and pull 10,000 pounds of debris. This is a piece of turf. It's probably 40 feet by 15. The rolls come in 15 feet in width. That roll, if it was 80 feet long, would be about 800 pounds, to give you an idea of how much everything weighs.